Good morning, my dear children. Let's start our today's EVS class. So I am continuing the chapter, that ninth chapter, that is cooking. So before to move on new topics, let's recall once what we learned in the previous class. So we learned that why do we need to cook our food? Why do we cook our food? Because we cook our food so that to kill the germs, as well as it makes the food tasty. And cooked food is very easy to digest for us, but at the same time, some useful nutrients are lost during cooking. Next, we learned that fuel that we use to make fire, and that fire we use to to cook our food. The fire produces heat to cook food. Next, charcoal. Charcoal. It's a very. It's we get charcoal. It's made up of burnt wood, and it's a very good fuel. Next, mineral oil, LPG, this all, we learned all about this. Kerosene and LPG use helps a lot. And our earths, these all are natural resources in our earth, isn't it? So, burning kerosene causes pollution, but solar energy, that it helps to reduce pollution. So, what is solar energy? Some cooking equipment use electricity instead of traditional fuels. But now we start using solar energy for cooking by using the energy of the sun. Solar energy means it's the energy of the sun, and we use that energy to cook our food. And when we use solar energy, it helps to reduce pollution. So next, our today's topic, let's start. Types of stoves. Many types of stoves are given, the picture are given in your book. You can see that chula, that stove, gas stove, these all are the types of stoves. Then types of vessel also you can, to cook food we need vessel, isn't it? Otherwise it's not possible to cook our food. So to cook food we need a vessel, but the vessel vessel used in our kitchens are called utensil. Vessel that are used in our kitchens are called utensil. We need to use different type of vessel while cooking food. For example, yeah, if we are cooking milk, or if we are boiling milk or milk, so we cannot use a fry pan or tawa, right? And if we are making chapati, for that making chapati we need frying pan. We cannot make it on karai like that. So the different types of vessels we use to make different types of food. You can see the picture of utensil, that tawa, pressure cooker, karai. You can see the picture of it. These utensils can be made of many different materials. Mostly we use the material aluminium, iron and steel. Apart from that, we use clay, copper and glass. Different eating practices. We eat different food. Food habits are different. So in North India, people eat more wheat, and people in South and Eastern India mostly eat rice. So food habit is different, and but the food basic ingredients of food are same. We use only the wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables. These ingredients are same. And people in North India, they also use the same ingredients. People in South, they also uses the same ingredient, but the food habit is different. As the North Indian people, they like to they prefer to eat chapati, but South Indian, they prefer to eat rice. In India, we make chapati out of wheat flour, while people in Europe and the Western countries make bread, as we eat the chapati, but people in Europe and Western countries, that means people live in abroad, they like to have bread in place of that chapati. Okay, so the amount of food we eat also differs from person to person. Some they need more food, some they need very less. So it depends, it varies person to person. The food requirement of a child is very different from that of an adult. It's quite natural, isn't it? Children are constantly growing and they need lot of nutrients. It is important for them to develop strong bones and muscle during the period of growth. Growing children need three nutrients meals a day. So you have to take three meals that full of nutrition. Three nutritious meals you must have a day, as well as plenty of milk, fruits, and green vegetables. Now, the new words that what meanings are given here, you have to write it in your copy. That fuel, the material that you burn to get fire. Charcoal, a black star substance that is made by burning wood. Mineral oil, a thick liquid that is found in rock. Solar energy, it means the energy from the sun. Vessel, a container for keeping liquids. Nutritious, food that contains substances that help you to grow and be healthy. So these all word meanings must have written in your class copy. Next comes to that exercise part, fill in the blanks. The answers are written. After humans discovered fire accidentally, they started cooking their food. Fuel is the substance we burn to make a fire to cook food. Humans eat uncooked as well as cooked food. We cook our food to make it easy to digest. Vessels or utensils are made of different material. So I solved this part A only. Next I will complete all the exercise in the next class. So this is all about today's class. Take care of yourself. Thank you.